outside.
Hi, I'm Ivan.
I'm Sylvie.
And this is DIY Detail. Today, we've got a brand new Kona. It only has 400 kilometers on it, and it's already scratched up. We'll be washing it, prepping it outside before taking it inside to polish. We don't have a drain in our garage, and we've been requested many times to see a wash and prep outside. One of the most important things when you're washing outside is to be prepared. You need to be fast at what you're doing. You need to have everything in place so you're not running around going back to the house, the garage, the mobile unit, whatever, to find what you need. We have a bucket in the front, we have a bucket in the back, we have sponges in each, we have clay towels in each one of them, we have the chemicals, we're ready to go. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to put on some Rinseless Wash all over the vehicle. Sylvia's going to put some all clean on the wheels and tires, and we'll start the wash.
Perfect.
It's in the mid-80s today. The vehicle is nice and warm. So we're going to be putting more moisture on than we normally would, just to help cool the panels more than anything else. While Sylvie starts the contact wash, I'll do the wheels, and then we'll rinse. Now, this vehicle isn't dirty enough to do a pre-rinse. So what we're doing is we have the rinseless wash on the surface. Sylvie's gonna start washing. I'm gonna do the wheels. Then we'll do the clay with the iron remover, and then rinse it off. You can see the browning we're getting off these tires. With wheels like this, we don't need a barrel brush. It's kind of hard to get in there.
I have a lot of insect in the front. I just put the rinseless and stay there for now.
You don't need a fancy pressure washer. We have a very basic home style unit. We're out in the country. This is well water, and it has a TDS of around 600. So we have to be very quick in what we do. If you have a DI system, of course, washing in the sun isn't that big a deal. But we definitely don't have DI water here.
Hey Ivan, you don't put the quick bead on the wheel?
No, these are very simple wheel to coat. So we're actually going to coat them with ceramic coating. as we're doing the rest of the vehicle.
Perfect.
Side that's not in the sun, it's still nice and wet. On the side that's in the sun, we're gonna add a little more lubrication. I'm gonna be starting with DIY detail iron remover and the perforated synthetic decontamination towel. Now, time to do the decontamination. I'm gonna do one spray on the towel and one on the panel.
Hey, only one spray.
Yeah. Now the iron remover, I'm not concerned that it dries in the sun. It's actually not a problem with it.
Really?
Yes. Now Sylvie left the front bumper till last. She started there, just got the bugs emulsified, working their way out. And that's where we finish.
And everything gone. Everything go away. Yes. That worked. Do you want I rinse your iron remover or
Please.
not you, just the car?
Yeah.
How long is best to stay on the iron remover, stay in the paint? What is best time?
As long as you can, but before it dries. Now on this side, it's definitely going to dry, but not that big of a concern. And I'm using the keg to wet the surface before. By using the decontamination towel to spread the iron remover, I'm actually removing the iron particles and just leaving the little rust stains behind. So the iron remover doesn't have to work as hard. Car has no beading whatsoever. Now I'm going to start with our water spot remover on the non-sunny side. Get it going while Sylvie finishes the rinse over there. I'm using a microfiber towel to spread our water spot remover. That way we make sure it gets everywhere and it gives it a bit of agitation. Then Sylvie can immediately start rinsing this side. New cars are very prone to water spots because on the dealer's lot, they often just get hosed off and left to dry. And the water they're using isn't always deionized.
And now, to prevent the water spot, just I spray with the rinseless when I even do the job, and after that we dry with the towel.
So the rinseless will encapsulate the minerals that are on the surface that are there. That way, now that Sylvie's finished rinsing off, we just have our 600 TDS water on there. We don't want that drying on the surface. The rinseless drying on the surface is not a big deal. It'll allow us a faster, easier way to dry, and it also provides itself as a drying lubricant. By not flipping my towel, I'm spreading the iron remover where I want it to be without...
Oh, I'm sorry.
Working with Sylvie is always dangerous.
Come on.
She's spray happy. Nick's trigger happy. Sylvie, you tend to get wet.
This stuff remove all water spot?
Doesn't remove all the water spots. It removes the minerals that cause the water spot. If they're old water spot, you might have etching there.
It's not the same thing, the water spot and the mineral?
A little bit, yeah.
But the water spot create a etching on the paint. This is bad, but the mineral is gone.
Yeah, the minerals are gone. There may be etching left behind. That we'll take care of with polish.
Okay.
If we're going to be putting a ceramic coating on this, we don't want to use anything with protection in it as a drying aid, like C6 mist, ceramic gloss, or quick beads.
What's happen if the rinseless dry on the paint?
Not a problem, it just wipes off.
With just a towel?
Just a towel. Your towel should be a little damp.
Now the paint is ready to put the coating in.
No, we still have to polish, but that we're going to do in another video. In the meantime, if you like this video, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you in this video here.